Introducing the pink 20-volt cordless drill set from WORKPRO. This high-performance drill boasts 203 inch-pounds of torque, powered by a rechargeable 1.5 amp-hour lithium-ion battery. It features dual-speed settings, a 21-position adjustable clutch, and a 3/8 inch keyless chuck. The soft grip handle and trigger switch are designed for comfort and control when operating, and the LED light provides bright illumination to the work area for added safety and visibility. An attachable clip adds the ability to hang the drill on a pocket or work belt, and the magnetic base provides a handy spot to store bits or screws. The drill, charger, and included bit set conveniently store in the included lightweight storage bag. All in all, this drill set provides the necessities for drilling holes and driving fasteners for all your do-it-yourself projects for years to come. WORKPRO.
Make tough work seem easy with the CRAFTSMAN V20 20-volt max drill driver. This drill is powered by a high-performance motor, producing 320 unit watts out for completing a variety of applications. It features a 2-speed gearbox for speed of fastening and a 1/2 inch ratcheting chuck for improved bit retention. The LED light improves visibility in dark work areas. At the end of the workday, it can be stored just within reach. Tackle your next project with the CRAFTSMAN V20 20-volt max drill driver. CRAFTSMAN, we build pride.
Power tools, I look for something compact, light, durable. I mean, when I first looked at it, I just noticed how slim it was. You know, our bags are 30 to 35 pounds and we're wearing them all day. So the lighter, the better, and this is definitely significantly lighter. But it's very maneuverable, it's very sturdy, more compact, so I'd be able to get it in tighter spaces. It felt great. I mean, it felt like it could handle any job I have.
Weight is very important, working overhead, constantly having my hands in the air. After using the Makita, it's definitely a lot lighter than the tools I'm currently using. Same power, I could use it all day.
The compatibility from one battery charger to multiple tools is huge. If I can have one battery for my drill and my impact, it's less things that I have to carry. I can keep everything from my drill, my impact, my circular saw, a light, all on one battery. I don't have to get up, I don't have to stop and change batteries. The shorter the charge time, the more I can stay busy. I would totally recommend the subcompact to my electrician friends and people I know in other trades. It's less weight to carry all day, you get the power that you need, and it lasts.
Meet the two newest members of BLACK+DECKER's 20-volt max system of high-performance tools. Our new 1- and 2-speed drill drivers offer the same speed of prior models, but they're lighter and more compact. Easy to use and comfortable, mid-handle design gives these drill drivers a balanced feel and great maneuverability. A keyless chuck makes bit changes quick and easy. An 11-position clutch helps to keep the screws from stripping, and an LED light helps to illuminate your workspace. These and a host of other convenient features make completing projects easy. Use the 1-speed model for common DIY tasks, or the 2-speed model for more demanding jobs. Either way, BLACK+DECKER's new 20-volt max drill drivers give you the speed you know in a compact design you'll love. Part of the 20-volt max system, works with your existing BLACK+DECKER 20-volt max power tools and outdoor equipment.